he's so cute. Can I touch him?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can touch him. Oh, there you go. He just came from the vet, so
I don't care.
yeah, just be gentle.
No.
You sure you don't want to poop right now?
Oh my god. You are the cutest thing.
Be nice.
I want to hold you. I want to reach you.
Be nice. Be delicate.
I want to squeeze you.
Yep. Oh my god. You're like literally the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed. What kind of breed is he?
I'm cute too.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Oh, it's a Cocker Spaniel mix. All right, Sebastian, you sure? You sure you don't want to poop now? Sebastian!
Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh, it's nothing.
Oh, you thought I was talking to you. No. I'm talking to your dog. Yeah, the one that you're trying to actively control right now. Wow. You'll be hearing from PETA and my lawyers tonight. Meow meow.
Oh no, Sebastian, stay, Sebastian.
Meow meow.
Sebastian, what did we talk about? Do you want any attack? Is it singing? Is the cat singing? If the cat's not singing, we don't need to attack. Speak now, or forever hold you poop. We get to the house, I ain't scooping. You sure? You sure? All right, bet.
Oh no,
Sebastian.
Dr. Bojangles.
Sebastian, it's just another dog. Sebastian,
Dr. Bojangles.
Sebastian, it's just another dog. It's just your kind. Sniff their butt. Sniff their butt. You'll feel better. Sniff his butt. You wanna? We're home now. No, Sebastian, we're home now. You wanna poop now? You wanna poop now?
Yes. Being an environmentalist, I live with Warren.
You're not a dog owner.
You're out of pocket.
Okay, so you're judging me.
How's that relevant?
But
how's that relevant to the plight of all animals?
You don't animals.
How old is he?
He's two.
And human ears are dog ears.
Dog ears.
Okay.
Yep, dog ears.
So, how does that make him in human years?
An age. What? Where's that poop 30 minutes ago? Where was that poop 30 minutes ago, Sebastian? Where was it?
Sebastian,
you don't need to force him to sit. Actually, you can just tell him and do it. Very efficient.
Sebastian, I said sit.
You're tiny? Yeah. So am I.
Rockabye doggy, my dog park, you're the sweetest thing.
Yes, I'd like to change my delivery method from pick up to deliver, please. Immediately. Immediately.
There you go.
I'm a
There you go.
Thank you.
So sorry.
No, I am.
It's
Dad,
it's ridiculous.
what's going on?
It's ridiculous.
It's crazy. You're so cute.
You shouldn't touch his tail.
I'm touching it.
No, you shouldn't.
Oh my god! You dog! It's a monster!
No, Sebastian. No, don't.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you